under the factions account no other operator to hold that the impugned order of review dated pursuant to is unsustainable in law and therefore would not have the effect of continuation of suspension order to consequent suspension order to instance set aside first. Considering the submission of the respondents that the allegations against the petitioner are serious, while setting aside the order of suspension, it is provided that the respondents would be at liberty to oppose the petitioner in any nonsense.
Highly.
Ma'am, please. My lord, I beg to mention item number 59 of supplementary list, my lord. So, matter may come up any other day, my lord, but I am not on interim. My lord, only for one day I need it.
After on the prayer, is there any interim order?
No interim.
On the prayer of the PI for prayer and consultation, matter is adjourned with certification.
May it please, Lord. I beg to mention item number 30, Lord, 30.
30 of the mail list.
Lord, main list.
Yes.
Matter may be adjourned for today, Lord. May be listed after.
On the prayer of matter is adjourned.
May I please? I have filed the urgent petition today, my lord. So let the matter be come for list tomorrow.
Motion matter.
Motion matter.
May I please, O Lord?
This bench matter.
Yes, sir. Yes, the matter.
May I please, O Lord? Item number 17, Lord. This matter may come after vacation. I have taken consent.
As
May I please, your lordship? Let's beg to mention item number 31, your lordship. With the consent of the other side, your lordship. The other side has filed objection, your lordship. Will file in reply after vacation.
rejoinder.
Yes.
On the prayer of
T-sheet.
matter is adjourned. Certification to enable filing of rejoinder if it
Obliged.
Yes.
May I please? I wish to mention item number 20 of the if that may be granted, Lord. I join that.
rejoined.
Lord. I have taken consent of that.
They are kept.
Okay, I have got another prayer, Lord. Matter for more analogous.
Obliged.
May I please, Lordship? Item number 36, my lord. Already complied.
Therefore, the petition are Ahmed consultation submit as order dated to pass the subject matter of contempt has been complied. In view of the effort of rules.
Urgent motion matter, my lord. Urgent motion matter tomorrow. Same page, your lordship.
Motion to
May I please, your lordship? I beg to mention item number 28. This matter may be taken up after the
table
highly obliged.
May I please, Lord? I beg to mention item number 29, Lord.
Yes.
Nothing but urgent motion matter.
after the petition.
After vacation, Lord.
Therefore, the
Petitioner.
petition is
K. Kaishap.
K.
K. Kaishap, Lord.
because
And we have
considered
obliged.
Lordship, I pray for listing of a requisition regarding regulation of service. Taken up
but mention
on 6 or 8.
clear for mention
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, prayer for listing, lordship. Urgent matter, lordship.
motion
Yes, lordship. Non-payment of
matter.
salary. Yes, lordship.
tomorrow.
Tomorrow, lordship.
I'm for the petition.
Which matter?
21.
What is your
The engaged counsel is out of station, Lord. I'm on behalf of R. Sharma.
Dr. R. Sharma is out. Prayer made on. Do you think otherwise are complete?
We are yet to submit our affidavit. No, we have filed it. Yes. Obliged.
FIR is bail.
Bail.
Bailable.
My lord, their marriage was solemnized in the year 2021. One baby has been born. Now this paper has been lost. Page 8 is lost to kindly see.
Page?
Page 8.
Yes.
A printed copy. They take some signature of the informant and lodging the paper. The file marriage.
When were you arrested?
10 to 210.
210.
Nothing is left for recovery because I have been already arrested. I have a 2
What is
years.
the age of the
My lord,
alleged victim?
alleged victim is below 18 at the time of
What is
marriage.
the age? Constitution, it was-
Now in 19 years.
it is your wife.
Yes. I mean, my age is now 24. One baby child is born. She is about 2 years.
And who is the respondent number 2?
Responsibility is an informant.
Who is he?
Who is the? He is the Asha Gurmi. Sometime Asha Gurmi lodges affair.
No, is he connected with you?
No, my lord. No connection, my lord.
Yes.
Nothing, my lord. No connection. Printed copy. Date of signature from officer.
It is required.
Why it is required? How many days is behind the bar for this kind of offense? Outreach is some person lodging an FIR. How is he connected? Third, Amit, when it counts for the petition. Also heard three. Your name?
K. Bushra.
K. Bushra. Done it. APP.
What's the AP?
Assam. Instead of reported. The petitioner has been arrested on
210.
210.
2023.
The Senate Council for the petitioner has submitted that the FIR has been lodged by one Bilal Hussain, who is not even connected with the matter by making certain pre-allegations. It is further submitted that the alleged victim is the wife of the petitioner, and they have how many years?
Child 2 years.
Have a 2-year-old child. Considering the above exposed facts and circumstances, and also taking into consideration the nature of the offense and the length of the sentence, the instant application is allowed. Consequently, the petitioner is directed to be released on bail on furnishing a bail bond of rupees 10,000 security of like amount, subject to satisfaction of
Session come special judge. South Salmara Mankasar. Session come special judge. South Salmara Mankasar.
of the petitioner, however, is required condition render full cooperation in ongoing and not attempt.
Lordship, this offense is under section 120B, 418, 420, 468, and 121 of IPC.
What did you do?
Sir, Lordship, CT,
What did you do?
I'm an exporter, import, export business.
What do you import?
Basically, some wool and wool.
Wool.
Yes.
From where?
From Meghalaya to Bangladesh.
You export coal to Bangladesh.
Yes, Lord.
So where is the offense? What is the offense?
Offense is that first to avoid tax, I have shown the less income in my less report. This is the prime allegation, and illegal transaction across the international border. This is another allegation.
No, for avoiding tax, that's a different issue. Why a police case?
That FIR, Lordship will
Mr. Vaishnav, why a police case? If he is evading tax, proceed against him. Are there any other allegations?
Lordship will find the FIR on page number 10.
Or we have that Madhukar? Then it comes file connection with petitioners, two petitioners.
Two people.
The petitioners have been arrested on
On 14th, 9, Lord.
59,
20.
which years
STF
where what
in Guwahati. Special task.
when
Lordship 7 or 8.
we'll have it on 7th, 7th.
7.
And Lordship, important fact is that petitioner number 1 is a exporter and 2 is his manager. So if assuming that Ali's crime is committed avoiding tax, then how the petitioner number 2 will come? Right.
Lordship, I am father-in-law. It's a child marriage case, Your Lordship. My age is 76 years, Your Lordship.
Arrested.
Arrested, Your Lordship. Father-in-law.
Arrested
Victim
when?
age is shown as 16, Your
Arrested
Lordship.
when?
Lordship on 3rd October, Your Lordship. 15
3rd
days.
October.
15 days. Lordship. FIR is page number 9. It means her age is 16 years, Your Lordship. Family is father-in-law.
Married.
Not marriage took place, Your Lordship. 2 months before, just oral marriage took place, Your Lordship. Not in the
Who
cabinet.
is Forizuddin?
Forizuddin is my son.
And who is this Surat Zaman? Who is the informant?
Informant is GP secretary, Your Government secretary.
We allow this supposition. It is submitted the petition is the father-in-law of the named accused and his age is about 76 years.
76.
Also, this court has also noted that the FIR has been lodged by the CP6 on 3/10/2020 on which the arrest was made. Which
Special judge, Leshipara. Bless.
We have please the it's an application on the 459 CR. The petitioner was arrested on 2/2/2023 and till today he is behind bars for 258 days.
NDPS
NDPS. But the FIR is at page
for
number
the
80.
first time.
First time, right? The charge sheet has been filed. The charges
Your name?
M. Diwan.
M. 413. On Monday. Arrested on 20. Call for the case.
Charge sheet, man. It's a
Oh,
charge sheet.
just, which court?
My additional session just 2, my lord. Kamrup Metro.
for some that the church has filed in the for can of this court in connection with which case name the case as registered as what?
Nunmati PS
No,
case.
not the PS. The court
Nunmati
case.
PS case number 32 of 2020.
No, that's not the PS, but it's court.
Year number 756 of the 2023, Lord.
Here, number where do you get?
Lordship in the FIR part, the page 20, Lord.
Here. In connection with
Yes.
court. The registry of court to issue necessary for this on have from 10th of November.
My lord.
Near Crystal Circuit Court, again, the bail application, and the case was registered under section 304 of the IPC. And the petitioner
Under section
304. 304 of
You
the
do.
IPC,
FIR
FIR space, FIR space 8. FIR space 8. Lordship kindly see page 3, para 2. The petitioner who was arrested on 27/9, and today is 22 days. And the petitioner is a businessman and they're running a boiler place. The 25/9/23, the attorney Nikhil person intentionally has planned a peculiar wire in the wall of his commercial
have to
boiler.
have- What is your name, madam?
Tiras.
Here.
Yeah.
Why your clerk has been picture? Or here. This not the nine. That's all. Eight of November.
Court 59 bail application, Lordship.
Well-
Offense, Lordship 417-376-12506. Lordship, read with section 6 of the POCSO Act. But the case is charged sheeted. The is behind the bar since 146 days. If your Lordship turns to FIR page 13, Lordship.
Octo will have three cases.
Yes.
30 Chagarpat.
Yes.
Chagarpat. Nine. Session. One. Of it is sub. It is sub. Put it. Let it start. All for and for. Now which court?
Special Judge POCSO, Lord. Kamrup Metro.
Kamrup.
Notice may be
Issued to the
informant.
respondent number 2.
Student number
File. Which. Must have taken upon this one to register. Is it required to make him a part
yes, Lord. In
in a bail
POCSO case,
petition?
it is POCSO.
of POCSO? Even in a bail?
Yes. Date
It's not 14th of November.
The name of the petitioner has been wrongly mentioned in the cause list as Jain, Abhishek Jain.
He's a big task. Doesn't matter.
Like-
Because the name of the petitioner written as Abhishek Jain has correctly been declared for big task. This note same aspect of it.
May it pleases your lordship.
Item
7.
Yes.
Lordship, the petitioner has been arrested as alleged offence is under 379. It's the theft. Lordship, the FIR is at page 25. The informant parked his vehicle in the Kukhalpur port, and from that vehicle his battery was stolen and he lost his FIR. The police investigating arrested one Imran Ismail, and Imran Ismail named the petitioner that he has sold his battery to the petitioner, that stolen battery. Lordship, the petitioner is an accountant in the proprietor shop of his father. So even the shop doesn't belong to him. And moreover, in the seizure list, wherein it has been shown, which is at page number 33, that one battery of van stolen from Tenikuti, reference case number so and so, has been seized, and 6 other batteries has been seized at page 33. Lordship, no batch number of the battery that have been seized has been mentioned herein, neither in the FIR. So your Lordship, this petitioner has been falsely implicated in the case, though he was acquainted with Imran Ismail, as on 2 or 3 occasions he visited their shop and he offered to sell damaged batteries to the father of the petitioner, which the father of the petitioner refused on the ground that he already
when
had
are you
supplied.
arrested?
7, 10,
7,
10.
7. Is it? Your name?
AI Ahmed.
Yeah, yeah. Put it right. Let us get one. Let's get on.
17.
7, 10. Is that
Lordship, can it be on 7, 11?
7?
Lordship, another matter has been there. The same petitioner is there. He was arrested in another case related to this another FIR, which was also filed.
FIR related what kind of?
FIR 380, under 380, for stealing of battery from the household.
That is fixed on 7.
That is fixed on 7/11. So, Lordship, my prayer is that the 2 matters may be tagged.
Submit that that the same person has filed another bail connection with another case, namely PA
PA 3836
of
of 2023.
which is on 7th of November. This particular November, if we shall tell to the in
Deeply obliged.
Lordship. This is an application under section 439 of the ICRTC. My lord, if you may come to page number 13, which is the FIR, original FIR.
1-3. 1-3.
Yes, sir. 13 September 2023, before the officer in charge cyber police.
Yes.
If I may read the FIR. My lord, this is to inform you that today on 13/9/2023, I have received an information that the person identifying himself as a Hidayat Burman, Superintendent of Police, has called up one Asif Alam Rahman, son of Fataur Rahman of Mahavir Road, Harupetia, Darang, from his mobile number so and so, twice on 11/9/2023 at 5:39 p.m. and again on 12/9/2023 at 3 p.m. and directed the person to appear before him on 14/9/2023 at 3 p.m.
Where is the type copy, madam?
Yes.
Where is the type copy?
Type copy is on page number 9. Lordship, on the first line, there is an error in the date. It's written as 2013. It should be 23.
Okay, that's fine.
May I continue from page number 9?
Yes.
Yes, Lordship. While
While
che-
checking.
While checking in Truecaller application, it is found that the person has deceitfully set the name as Vedojit Burman, EDSP with a view to mislead innocent citizen using cyber technology for his wrongful gain. From the above part, it is directly reflected that the person by using mobile number so-and-so has impersonating in my name for some wrongful gain with an ulterior motive. It is to be mentioned that this wrongful activity is my image as well as the image of Assam police is being maligned. It is also suspected that he along with his associates had the criminal conspiracy for their wrongful gain. My lord,
Yes.
the most relevant portion of this FIR is that in this regard, I would like to request you to register a case against the user of the mobile number. My lord, the complaint is against the user. Is against the user, not the. Is against the. It's not against the owner. Rather, it's against the user of the SIM card. My lord, and I have been.
You are not the user of the SIM card.
I am user, but someone. It's not impossible that someone might use my phone because, lordship, I deal. According to my knowledge in my daily business activity, which involves meetings with various people, someone might have crept away my phone to make those 2 calls.
Someone might have their own assumption. Madam. Who? Mobile phone, who will take your mobile?
Lordship,
And there's a device in the mobile phone that the IT would of somebody else.
Lordship,
What do you do?
Lordship, I have a business transaction.
What kind of business? What business are you engaged in? Where have you stated?
It's not there in the complaint.
You have not stated anything. What to do? Your name?
Madam PAV.
Hard. 439. In connection with cyber.
39.
2029. Um, keep it.
Wait, please, Lord. 438 application, my FIR, my lord, is at page number 12. And the translated copy is at page number 9, man.
9.
Yes. May I read the FIR?
System. Who are you?
My lord,
You're the accused.
yes,
Arrest.
Somar Sarkar, man.
Some more.
Somar Sarkar,
Okay.
son of Naresh Das. My lord, may I read the FIR, my lord? Page number 9.
Yes.
Yes. With due respect, I beg
No,
to
no, I've read it.
Yes, my lord. My lord, the FIR was registered under 447, 376, 511, my lord. My lord, at this place, my lord, fact aside, my lord, my humble submission is that, my lord, at best, my lord, it is a case of indecent assault, my lord. Under 254, my lord, not a case of attempt to rape, my lord.
We'll have
As the
430. Connection. 40. Yes. Small. 9th of March.
Highly obliged.
Thank you, Your Lordship. My lord, the FIR at page 9, my lord, three petitioners before Your Lordship. Petitioner, my lord, 1 and 3 are husband and wife, my lord, and 2 is brother of the petitioner number 1.
Details of allegation.
My lord, Lordship, kindly have a look page 10, my lord. Here, my lord, section, my lord, section wise, my lord, 307 and 354, my lord, added, my lord. Here in this case, my lord, considering the, my lord, the phase of the allegation, my lord, 307 and my lord, 354, my lord, may not ultimately, my lord, prove with this case.
Ultimately, we do not know, but what's the allegation? Taking advantage of the loneliness of my wife, came to the house, outraged modesty and tried to kill her. What is
My lord, here, my lord, allegation, my lord,
came for
my lord, daughters, my lord, brother, and my lord, wife,
you
my
were
lord.
calling for the case, not this.
On my lord, my humble prayer is that my lord, their festival is my lord, start my lord now, my lord. At least considering the my lord, the coming festival, my lord, kindly my lord.
For festival will allow all people to come out of the
No, like
jail.
here, my lord,
You
allegation
are not even
regarding
arrested. This JB,
assault, my lord, regarding
JB,
assault.
430, Panchagram.
Two other persons, my lord, granted bail, my lord. 2 persons granted
Bail or anticipatory bail?
anticipated bail, my lord.
Anticipatory. Who else?
My lord, learned, my lord, session judge.
Without case diary.
Case diary, my lord. Sir, case diary, my lord.
Eighth of November.
Oblige, my lord.
May I please, Lord? Entirely civil dispute and agreement of sale entered with the petitioner by the informant. Thereafter, for my non-performance, the agreement was cancelled by an agreement. Notice was issued. I paid some money, that money was returned back. Now, during that, the informant land was sold out by one land broker, not related to me, Uma Shankar De. Your Lordship kindly see page 16, the FIR is.
Yes. Now,
It's a long FIR.
now what is the problem now?
Now, my name was dragged there. Being I am also a conspirator. That is the allegation. But there was an agreement of sale, Lordship will find page 28. Then the agreement of sale was cancelled between the parties. That we annex page 32. This is specific allegation that the forged power of attorney was obtained by one Uma Shankar De. And by way of that, he executed sale date. That is it.
He is your vendor.
Informant is
Was the vendor.
original.
Whom you had the agreement to.
Yes,
purchase
thereafter
the-
agreement was cancelled. I was out of the picture.
Yes, Mr. Bishop. Third, privy of the senior counsel for petitioner who has filed application and taken connection with insecurity application. All for is it.
7.
15th of if when it to do the need for production. It is also written in a conference for an interim person. That though there was initiated an agreement for purchase the land of the informant by the petition from the state agreement was subsequently cancelled, and that connection another agreement was entered in on 17th May 2020 in the form of a deed of cancellation. This further submitted that the allegation of selling the plot of land is primarily against a third person, and the name of the petition has been dragged in by introducing theory of conspiracy. After hearing the after hearing comment direct in the that went over of the petition shall be on page on furnishing of paper for subject to arrest. Have you appeared?
No, before the IO, no. We will appear.
The petition is directed to appear for the IO on or before. Next day we have fixed on 14th. On
15 euros.
on or before. The
10th of or 7th. Any day after the puja. You.
for 31st of
Sure.
31st of October for recording his date.
That's forgetful.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
May I please, your lordship? Lord, 438 application, my lord. FIR at page 10, my lord.
10.
My lord, the FIR says, my lord, that I have love relationship with the accused for last 2 years. He promised to marry and establish physical relationship with me in several times. On last 9th of August 2023, the accused person came to my house with ill motive while I was alone in my home. We were talking to each other, and in the meantime, my mother came from her workplace, and then I narrated all things what had happened between us. Then I and my mother confined him in a house and informed the neighbors and the village headman. Hereafter, the village headman called the police of Kamalpur PS, and the police took us to the police station. Hereafter, the matter was discussed among the family members of the accused, my family members, and the villagers, and decided to solemnize our marriage. And accordingly, the accused person and his family members promised to register our marriage in the court within 1 month. So I did not file any FIR before the police station.
Yes. On interim. It that my rating of the effect would reveal that the ingredients involved would not be up up in and fact that the effect but 10%. Appear for 31st.
I love life.
This petition, type 40 my lord, for
Ultimately, a writ petition. Bail is over.
bail is over. This is for cancellation of the appointment of the petitioners who were initially appointed pursuant to the selection process initiated by the respondent. I'm
Already cancelled.
cancelled, my lord. Initially they have been appointed.
Now that is understood, but the cancellation has already taken effect.
Yes.
Which date?
This is of, my lord, 21/8/2023.
21/8. You were appointed as what?
Appointed as peon cum chowkidar. This is regarding that grade 4 exam recruitment process. Now the thing is that, my lord, inadvertently both these petitioners, they put the remark yes against the
Ex-service.
ex-serviceman category. Now my ground for challenging this
Cancellation.
cancellation is that, my lord, the advertisement, it speaks nothing regarding reservation in respect of SC,
Okay,
ST,
we'll issue
OBC.
notice it.
My lord, I have an interim prayer order.
Interim prayer for cancellation.
My lord, just to the reserve, the post vacant in the
That we can, they will get full relief if you were successful. Hard preempt to the return it counts
just one
for
submission.
the petition. Cancellation we cannot give that. And it's, that is why I asked the date 21/8. If it was recent, that matter would have been different.
Nobody has been
We'll say
appointed
some-
till date.
we'll say some, hard preempt to the return counts for petitioners. It is the case of the petitioner that pursuant to a recruitment drive for filling up various vacant posts in different departments of the establishment, the petitioner had applied and inadvertently had marked yes the category of ex-service. The petitioners were subsequently appointed in the same department. However, by the issued order date 21/8, their appointments have been cancelled, along with few others, on the ground that the petition do not really belong. Therefore, in the case of the petitioner, that there was no reservation as such undertaken, and therefore the petitioner did not gain any advantage by marking to be by declaring to them the ex-serviceman.
Rather, they are SC and OBC.
That notice should return by 4 weeks. Bora for PNRD. Madam Bora, you are also for Embora. 1 and 2 and 3 for let's talk about right for 3 Chaudhary account for the place for treated. However, since the impute order of cancellation of 21/8 a blanket interim order is not able to pass about observe that if the posts which have been made vacant on the cancellation of the appointment of the petitioner filled up by any other person, such appointment shall be made would depend on the outcome of the petition.
I'm okay.
Yes.
Case is, my lord, since in terms of this honorable court order, my lord, the SLP has recommended the petitioner's name, my lord. But since there was no sufficient vacancy at the relevant time, and it was directed different departments of the authority as per the clause 15 of the OM 16/2015. So it was directed to the different authorities to appoint the petitioners, my lord. And now I have come to know up to 22. My serial number is 23, my lord. And up to 22 already been adjusted. And 23, my lord, I have been left out. Now I have come to know below me, some of the persons, 2 persons have been already accommodated in some other department. Only, and I have thereafter, my lord, now officially I have come to know that there are hundreds of cases are lying vacant in the department. Cases, lordship, this grade 4 employees vacant post. That statement I have given, my lord, since I have got the information officially, and
Where?
my lord, that I have stated, my lord.
No, you said officially you have got the statement. Where is the record?
A record is not there, my lord. Only
Then how is it
information.
official?
Only
Unofficial.
so I'm sorry, unofficially. And
Heard to be it.
But lordship, lordship in the SLC, not recommended case.
no,
Because lordship may kindly come to page 41, lordship.
41.
41, lord.
lordship will have a look at page
41.
para
Yeah.
9 of the SL2.
There are 10, lordship.
Para 9,
Now, out of 33 candidates on the basis of the criteria provided in the 11 OM in compliance with the order honorable
I
court in
don't know.
WBC so and other cases.
What is your name, Mr. Chipurava?
people are.
Where is he?
Lordship will find at page 23, page 41, lordship.
Yeah.
Starts from 39, lordship, down below, lordship will find para 9. Against the list merit. Against the list of recommended candidates by the DLCs after rejection of 8 candidates. Mentioned,
Where are you reading? Page?
Case
page
39.
39, lordship, of my petition.
Yeah.
Down below. Well. Against the list of recommended candidates by the DLCs after rejection of 8 candidates mentioned herein above these 8 candidates that they have been rejected.
No,
The-
these are for consideration. There,
Or remain
then
for
after,
consideration.
then after, there
remain-
will come.
Yes, remain for consideration.
No, then now it has been considered at paragraph 10, at page 41.
Yes, now only, my lord, consideration, my lord, up to 22 has been considered.
Are recommended.
Since 23, my name. And now I have come to know 25, 26 and 27 have already been appointed.
But there is no
Paragraph 10
recommendation.
is clear, lord.
No, lordship will see. Now out of 33, 10,
Yes.
33 candidates on the basis of criteria provided in the relevant OM in the compliance of the orders of the Honorable High Court, WBC herein above. The following 22 candidates are recommended for appointment on compensation ground in grade 4 post against 22 earmarked vacancies under the Director of Animal Husband and Veterinary Department.
Yes.
Now this 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 22 have been considered. Now 11, my lord. 11 is for diary. Now 13, lordship.
Yes.
13, para 13. The remaining 11,
Hmm.
33 minus 22, 22 gun. Numbers of eligible candidates proposed for grade 4 post, along with the remaining 3 candidates are proposed for grade 3 post, total 14. Candidates shown there below could not be accommodated due to non-availability of the sufficient vacancies, and therefore proposal shall be forwarded to other department as per clause 15 of the OM dated 1/6/2015. My lord, for recommendation. Now my name is at top, my lord, 1, serial number 1.
Okay.
Then, my lord, lordship will find now what the director has done, my lord. Lordship will page 46, my lord.
46.
46 of my page 46, lordship.
Yes.
Some information was gathered from the Cultural Affairs Department, my lord. And one post was shown to accommodate my to accommodate this petitioner. Lordship will find at page 48. Page 48. This is a letter from director to the principal secretary, animal husbandry, regarding vacancy position for competition appointment culture. With reference to the subject cited, I have the honor to state that out of the 11 eligible 11 numbers of recommended grade 4 candidates, as per the SLC minutes dated 13/9/22, 2 numbers have already proposed for appointment as AB constable in the department. 2 numbers below than me. Political department so and so. Now against vacancy in cultural affairs department, the name of Sri Bipul Rava, the petitioner, son of so and so, Anindra Chandra Rava, as 31 years, stand at serial number 1 in the selected eligible list, is proposed for appointment. The copy of SLC minority is enclosed. Then Lordship will find
Part
second
three
page.
B is Senate Council for the petition. Has filed this petition with a claim for appointment on completion and ground. It is the case of the petition that Castle filed minus of it dated 13/9/2020 had considered the considered 31 numbers of candidates, out of which 12 numbers were recommended for appointment.
22 number.
12 numbers were recommended for appointment. So it was further observed that the remaining candidates, the names of the remaining candidates could be forwarded for consideration as per clause 15 of the OM dated 1st of June 2015. It is the categorical case of the petition that even though vacancies are exist from persons below the petition have been given the benefit of such appointment by ignoring claims of the petition. So that is done by email has been one and 1.5
I am for respondent 2 and
SR 4
and 4.
Penalty shall not be abated for consideration of case.
And whatever, my lord, I'm sorry, my lord, whatever we say before the honorable court, we never missed it. So by my knowledge.
Please, your lordship.
Not doing this.
No, lordship.
Not
Lordship,
doing it.
lordship, this is the 4th round of litigation here. Lordship, I was engaged as an Anganwadi worker in 2009, lordship, that was challenged by the private respondent. And the honorable court had directed the director to find out the facts, and at that time the director,
This is for the director to direct. Why should you quote that?
lordship, lordship, the
Can we
director,
direct? We are not directors. Okay, now what's your problem?
no, lordship, then the director at that time, he found that I was not within the territorial jurisdiction.
Yes.
But that was again challenged by me, and then
Now,
he-
now what has happened?
now, lordship, again they have removed me from service, lordship, because the private respondent,
Your appeal has been rejected.
lordship, has been rejected.
Heard MS M. Bodler, Senate Council for the petition. The case in hand has a checkered history. The appointment of the petitioner as Anganwadi worker of the Sil Bheta Anganwadi Center under Roha ICDS project was subject matter of it earlier. Which earlier. Presently, the petitioner is aggrieved by the order dated. Which order?
Lordship, there are 2 orders. The first one, that is 7/1/2023, and then the dismissing of the appeal, the second one, lordship, 33/2023.
Where have you mentioned?
Lord.
You have not given the date in the synopsis.
So Lord,
You have given a two-page synopsis. But not mentioned the date. Both the dates. Is prescriptive agreed by an order date to pass by the Director of Social Welfare.
women welfare, Lord.
Now it's
Women and child.
Women and
welfare.
Child Welfare. By
Child
which,
development.
child development, by which the appeal of the petitioner has been rejected, which was filed against cancellation of her appointment. That notice given by 4 weeks. Yes, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Who?
1, 2, 3, 4.
3 for us. 6 on 1. Extra copy. This one number 5 registered.
Lord, much of it.
Different advertisement types are published by the respondent authority under Mission Lifestyle Law, and in a similar advertisement was passed in the state of Nagaland, and this honorable court, the Kohima bench, has already emphasized on the fact and suspended that advertisement. Similar ground, Your Lordship, that order is in page 103, and we have also come on the similar ground.
What are grounds of child?
Grounds is that the guidelines for the guidelines in the Mission Lifestyle Law, there is no mention about the age limit, but here in the advertisement age limit was given. Therefore, this poster contractual basis. So when age limits were given,
What is this mission, Vatsalya? What you have to do?
for development of women and child protection. Earlier, this was as child
No, that we
protection.
know, that we know. But what's your post? What you have to do? There are various posts. Account
various posts.
officer. So for that, you want to say that there should not be an age.
Yes, because as per the guidelines of Mission Lifestyle Law, during in case of appointment, experience is given weightage, and there is no mention about the age. So, and in this regard, Your Lordship may see the page 103 of this respective WPC 156 of 2023. And here one post that is
They are still continuing their own post purchase. It is a separate advertisement. Their grievance is that we should not put the age criteria.
because the
Should be
existing
Are you working?
yes, we are working on contractual basis on the same scheme, Your Lordship. So as their posts are contractual, there is no scope for upgradation, Your Lordship. So if they were
You
given,
cannot apply before under the different process.
yes, because age due to the age limit provided, so we are
You're over it.
overage.
Then file a
Yes,
consider-
we have also filed a representation that was not given with
So should we change the entire advertisement requirement? We can say that no final
yes.
appointments be made. Have you made a prayer not to disturb you? Have you made a prayer? What's the interim prayer?
So, during period the operation, say the operation of the advertisement is at 28/9/20.
Change the appointment.
because Your Lordship, one ground is also there that
Not pass a bank order.
because Your Lordship,
They'll go ahead, but they'll not make final appointment. Don't take,
here
that will protect your.
yes, Your Lordship, but one point is there, that is the for the post of district child protection unit, that serial number 4 of the advertisement.
It is not the case of that they are apprehending that their post will be ousted from their post.
That is for the
They are continuing in their
po-
own post. So
for the
Authority
post
has-
of district child protection officer DCPO. It in the case of it is another under the guidelines of the scheme, district child protection officer is appointed either on deputation or on contact.
The council or
Use again.
can you tell us why the recruitment
Because
process?
they because advertisement is defective on the ground that that officer, that is district child protection officer, cannot be advertised, your lordship, because his appointment should be on deputation or contract, and the appointee to the state post shall be part of the selection committee itself, your lordship.
What are your question? What is your locus question?
Because we are also aspiring for that
You
post.
said that you are barred by age,
Yes, sir.
should be done by an appropriate person. So otherwise, you are not eligible. But you say that
I have filed one representation that is at 100
counsel for the petitioners. The petitioners are for various posts like protection of assistant, PQ. What PQ? The word CDO, council, data, various districts of under the child protection society. The service of petition are contractual. For implementation of the scheme, mission, an advertisement is issued for upgradation for filling of various posts. In case of the petition, that while the guidelines of the petition do not prescribe an age from the student has introduced certain permissible age for them. Are you apprehensive that your services will be terminated? Not your case.
No,
How have you projected? According to the challenges put up, Sri Sakya has also referred to an order passed by Kohima Bench of in WPC 156 date 7/8/20, which is submitted to be on a similar subject. By that order, while issuing the advertisement concerned in that was still consideration of the 17/8/20. What happened on 17/8?
Further date was given.
What happened there?
That is in case 112, your lordship. To a further date was given.
12. Where is considered? Where is the
Extension.
The
Uh,
subsequent order dated 5/10/2020 annex petition, however, does not reveal that any interim order was passed or extended.
Yes, your lordship, that was extended. In between there is an order, and
Where?
one Korean was also published. That is in 113, your lordship, page
113.
113.
That is of 12 page.
Yes, your lordship.
Thereafter,
One order was that I will appraise, your lordship, something.
Saikya, however, submits that two, he does not have the copy of the order. The interim order has been extended. Sir, the, as per Purva, the learned state council, however, submits that the locus of the petition is itself questionable, and there is no prayer for extension of that contractual service. No, it is further sub that there are duly a recruitment process, not type. Is at the instance of that person not having locus. That notice is issued by 6 weeks. As per on behalf of number 1,
1,
3,
3,
4,
uh,
5, 6, and 7. Union of India. Anyone? This is anyone in the court? The Borough, anyone in the court? This
let's come to me.
give the name of any of your colleagues who is the citizen. Is there the court today? The cake open. This except not on the responsible that extra copy of petition served by tomorrow. Where the Saikya pays for an interim order. After considering facts and circumstances from this court to give that interest of the would not call a blanket order of the recruitment process. However, to balance it provides that while there will be no restriction to go ahead with the recruitment process, final appointments should not be made without taking.
That is subject to the outcome.
Not subject, we have given him for something more. They cannot make the appointment without taking leave.
Yes, I want to add one more thing, that this advertisement was published, but no specific date was given in that advertisement. In this time, that was near maybe customer for the timing on leg input.
But
if it's a matter related to SPOs, now initially first round of litigation, there was an order for consideration of a representation. Now after consideration of representation, they have passed a speaking order citing Uma Devi. Uma Devi with at all not applicable as we are statutorily appointed. Lord. Moreover, Lordship, now
your appointment was a second post.
no, Lordship, what has happened? We are initially appointed as Home Guard under 6(3) of the Home Guard Act. Now, after that, we are deployed as SPOs in the Borland ethnic classes. Lordship. Now, a similar case in Punjab had happened. Lordship, Nihal Singh, where SPOs were appointed for ethnic classes. Thereafter, also Uma Devi was cited, and Supreme Court said that Uma Devi was not applicable to SPOs appointed in this manner. In case of Punjab, it was
Where is it? Your Honor?
yes. Yes, Lordship. This we are appointed under section 23 of the
But I need to note
Lordship.
where is
Now,
the question of saying an order of 16 and 18.
no, we are not praying for that. We are not praying for that.
we are only paying, there is an advertisement now. We are 43, there is around 3,945 posts, just recently 16. Just proportionate number of posts may be kept vacant, that's all.
Now you participated in this, yeah?
Lordship, now we have served the state for long time, and now we are in age also. We are not fit now, and moreover, we are also trained in sophisticated weapons. Everything is there. Now, the thing is that we cannot compete with a 18, 19-year-old now because we are not of that age. Lordship, senior council will matter.
Because the scan copy of the record call for lordship, it was not prepared.
Your Lordship, may I submit? 439 application, Your Lordship. All the co-accused have been granted bail, Your Lordship, by this honorable court.
What
And-
offense under what?
Under section 21C and 27 NDPS Act.
Commercial quantity.
Commercial quantity.
Co-accused have been granted bail, Your Lordship.
Doesn't matter. When were you arrested?
Your Lordship, it has been around 610 days, Your Lordship.
Where are the earlier orders?
Your Lordship, Annexure 7 to Annexure 9,
Please, please.
page number 43.
Yes.
Page number 44, Your Lordship, para number 4, regarding the length of detention and mandate of Supreme Court, Your Lordship.
Forty-three was page 43 granted on the motion over
Motion, Your Lordship.
without having in the case area. Okay.
Yes, Your
District Court.
Lordship. Annexure 7, Annexure 8, and Annexure 9. All the 4 accused were granted on motion, Your Lordship.
Will it amount to giving the PP an opportunity in an NDPS case?
Your Lordship, as per
What are the three conditions? Isn't the PP going to be given an opportunity?
Lordship, as per
We may not follow this kind of orders. Sorry.
Lordship, few witnesses have been examined.
No, otherwise also in an NDPS case without
Better
the opportunity, they are not going to act derogation of statute. But how will you have the case? Your name?
Mr. N. Iqbal.
A. N. Iqbal.
N. Iqbal, Your Lordship.
Or A. N. Iqbal. Has been arrested on 2/2020 and submitted the case of trial. Which court?
FTC number 3, additional session FTC number 3,
Kamrup.
Kamrup Metro.
Nine eleven.
Your lordship, during vacation, considering the
No. NDPS 500 gram of heroin. What are you saying? What is the urgency? NDPS case. We can reject the very first day. Commercial one. 500 grams of heroin on 20th. And restrict weakness. Your name?
DP Gustam.
DP Gustam. Your APP is present.
Yes, sir. Very lost. Arm check 25-1 AM, my lord. Two poor cultivators, my lord. Some altercation with the police, my lord. Ultimately, it was framed. One pistol, one empty magazine. Your lordship, page 9.
4 cultivators are having pistol.
No, actually, in fact, they were nothing. They were discussing when two unknown person came. Some altercation took place, my lord.
Let us read the
Yes.
FIR.
Yes, page 9, your lord.
I have the honor. Yeah. It appears that by 28 Yes, please read.
Well, yes, student 60 yesterday on 13/8/23, 64 days today, my.
No, please read this.
Oh, yes, page 9. With due respect, I have the honor to inform you that on 13/8 at about 6 p.m., information received from a reliable source of so-and-so intelligence that a person, namely Abdul Rashid, petition number 1, my lord, is possessing small arms pistol illegally with an intention to commit heinous offense somewhere. Accordingly, GD entry is made by number so-and-so, along with accompanying staff so-and-so, as per a plan tape for the accused to catch red-handed by the making a fake arms deal. Accordingly, upon reaching Balikuri near Bazaar, as per the plan, the police party were able to nab the following person, namely so-and-so, 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 so-and-so. While they came to make the arms,
They were caught red-handed with the
64 days, my lord.
arms, and they simply deny it, Lordship, but the report also is a firearm. That's what I got report, Lordship, and serviceable, Lordship.
What do you do, Mr. Chaudhary?
Might have cultivator, poor yellow kindly says, might have stated category of the cultivator, might have. Paragraph 6, might. 64 days, might have subject to our party because nothing was there, my lord, and only one pistol, 1 year, whatever maybe, might have ultimately.
I have checked, Madam.
Empty card. Arrested on 13/8, today 64 days.
Mandatory period is 90 days.
Now, after amendment, 90 days. Earlier it was 60 days. Now it may extend to 14 years. New amendment.
there is a petition also heard if some petition, yes, is an petitioners were arrested on 15/8/2023.
15/8/1.
Goswami the learned as per it, which was the that the petition are calculated and are no way connected with LS. Further submit that as on it, the petitioners have come about 64 in custody and petitioners have called him is that the is that it produced by the state in the of present and were record after bed and posted of the defense are or is it of what that on potential of the black of
CGM Barbara.
CGM
Barbara.
14 years then.
Yes, point of there is no special, it is not a special.
Yeah.
Forwarded to CGM, CGM rejected also.
Or
Obligement.
yes,
Pardon?
it is the stage of
Yes, madam. It is here, madam.
have you seen the state of the accused person? Not very encouraged.
Both are doing the same partnership. That is, I don't know whether the people take for.
No, their statement that's not for the police. We normally find that before the police, everything is confessed. Now, there is something. We are not disclosing for the sake of having a fair trial.
Case study not.
Yes, sir. Which act? Octo. Who are you? You already named the accused or what?
Lordship. FIR page Lordship 10 Lordship.
Page 10.
10.
What is the age of daughter of the informant?
16, my
Age is
16. Dr.
that's the case that PDP custom that case that
9/11.
9 for
Complex.
Maybe
If it's your
it is a call for my lord.
offense under
Child marriage, man.
Child
Allegation of child marriage.
you're on interim order.
2 and 3 and
We'll have it on August. Interim order passed at the next.
Thank you, Lord. 438, my lord. My lord, a friend of the appears informant also. My lord. Here, my lord, the petitioners are the members of the BDP, my lord, Village Defense Party, my lord. They, in the night at 1 a.m., the night, my lord, they found one girl with some 2 boys, my lord. They caught them, informed the police, guardian came, some talk took place, ultimately, my lord, he was taken by that. Thereafter, my lord, after 12 days, this case was filed. They felt some, because public knew that, yes, this girl was involved in some.
Let us read the
Yes, now you lost
FR at page 8.
Yes, now you lost it. Page 8, you lost it. Page 8. I respectfully beg to state that my daughter, Miss Umme, who is aged about 16 years, is a minor. On 36/23, you locally note the date of occurrence. FIR is page 16/7. On 36/23, she went to stay in her maternal uncle's house for some days at number 2 Nelia Park. On 4/7 at about 1:30 a.m. at night, when my daughter came out from the toilet, the 3 accused persons, by covering her mouth, touched her body and by forcefully giving her intoxicating substance and tried to commit rape, but due to raising hue and cry, failed to do so. And then
Yes, yes. What you have is that
Lordship, did you receive, Lordship?
what is there
Connection. Lordship, 164 statement is there. And
of the victim.
of the victim.
What does it say?
It states that Lordship, 2 number of accused, the petitioner number 1 and petitioner number 2, they are involved with the incident, and the petitioner number 3, who is present in the place of occurrence, but he after when she shouted, he left the place. He left the place, and
What about the version of the petitioner that they are PP members?
no, the such type of
We are having
from the
papers,
case
ma'am.
there, it is not revealed. Such type of PDP person, that is not revealed. Only the question is that one person, that is the petitioner number 2, he forcefully try to give some tablets to the mouth of the petitioner.
That
And
is there in
164 statement is there.
yes,
164.
you have for the informant. You have minimum role, but then what you have
performance inspection, they are never any member of the PDP lordship. Moreover, section 328 is their lordship. Section 328 of the IPC.
okay, well,
Causing hurt by means of poison.
Poison, man.
He was unconscious for more than 10 hours. Lord.
the courage of the
But one thing, man, you lost will pass any order, my. I only question, since we are claiming that the members of the PDP, man. If it is not ascertained that the SP is certain it, man. Because it is now appointed by the SP, man.
where is the statement?
Member, yes, you lost kindly, man.
Where is the order of appointment?
Appointment is not a resolution taken by the SP.
No, its resolution is taken in a public meeting.
President Secretary, madam, the resolution is there.
Art is part of the record.
No.
Art the
No.
courage of the then it comes with senior petitioners who have filed separately. Also heard to be A. Busham, and TPP, who has also produced the case that. What
Passage from.
message when it comes to the government the case of the petition is that they are BDP members.
Yes.
And on finding the alleged victim with another person had informed the guardian and was accordingly handed over to her. It is submitted that apart from the effort laws after a
12 break. 12 break.
after a substantial delay, the contents of the same are absolutely correct, as the petitioners had acted bona fide.
Yes.
We wish to learn it by referring to his diary. More particular, the statement of alleged victim recorded under section 1 of PRP as that the version made by are not substantial, and rather, the victim has supported the person in FIR. The Roman learned concept while assisting learned DP as that by but in the LS in the victim had suffered immense and was unconscious for a long period as he was in some intoxicating substance. The statement, though a statement has been made on behalf of the petitioner that they are members of the BDP, there is no document to substantiate the same. In any case, being members of the BDP will not absolve the petition from any criminal liability, and rather criminal liability. The statement of the victim made under section 1 of here would reveal that there is a prime fact made out against the petition. That in view of the would not make any further observation, not adverse affect the interest of tribal party for
The medical part might not there, it may be observational. Because
Medical,
ultimately
they are not
you
alleging
may
rape.
come with a better material also.
if it can come.
About 3 my lord, so far number 3 is concerned, but nothing is there. Is my lord not says. He is saying
He was there.
he was there, that is there, he, but nothing,
He was there. If he,
no positive goal, no positive.
if he on seeing the situation, he runs away. Will it mean that he
From
was
his
not
submission,
involved?
I suppose, my lord, he is not opposing. I suppose, my lord, from his submission, my lord. But number 3, my lord. 130 your lordship may consider. My lord.
We may record that part.
And medical
Question.
also, my lord.
Medical, we are not. That while that in her statement, specific allegations have been made against a bit
1 and 2.
number 1 and as super as number 3, though it is stated that he was present on starting of the scuffle, he had fled away from
Lord.
place of
Apply.
Lordship 55, we received the CD. Lordship, pay some time to go through the.
Now, under what offense, sir?
My lord, this is essential commodities tax 1, my lord, and
You are protected by
4009.
any interim order.
No, my lord, there is no interim order, my lord. Essential commodities tax is a, my lord, section 7 is
Or what is
available.
the allegation?
Allegation is that, my lord, I am the secretary of the, my lord, Samwise committee, and some rice have been misappropriated by me. 1,932 quintals. This is the allegation.
1,932
quintals. That cannot be because the Samwise committee is.
1,932 quintal.
Yes, my lord. That is the allegation. And that cannot be because the committee is run by a committee, my lord. It's a 15 members committee. Only the secretary has been met, my lord, scapegoat. And in fact, there is a counter allegation that, my lord, that amount, the rice has not been supplied by the my lord, department properly.
Who are you?
I am the secretary of the committee. My
That's a very
allegation is serious. I have no objection to that, my lord. Only point,
You
my lord,
have, go to
There-
the case date. Can you have tomorrow?
sure.
Tomorrow will. Two cases has come. The came with that that come to go Sarah, list for into
today at 2, my lord, my learned friend is ready to have it.
2 o'clock. 2 o'clock.
Sure.
Matters are over.
Lord.
Trend is not too good.
Lord. Lord. Always.
Have it tomorrow.
Yes, may 439 application lordship opens under section 13 of the Cattle Preservation Act. FIR at page 10, Lord.
AB.
AB, Lord. Page 10.
Yes, you have the case diary.
Not to be able to receive the case diary, but in some time, not to go to
Just now.
just now. Sir.
Tomorrow. You distribute case diary. Some of the over your colleague.
Lord.
So that you can distribute the report. Not possible. Next. Seven. And a mother Bhuya. Also.
Receive the case diary.
Serial.
Yes, sir, yeah.
And it is whereas if you has this man
9/11, 8/11.
you have to say that you on visibility of on you have to have
My lord, their POXO is here, my lord, 8, section 8 and 54A, my lord. Case 12.
allegation of misbehavior at page 9. Misbehavior.
Not actually. They are success are my lord, says, my lord.
Date of as per the birth certificate, date of birth of the girl.
Now, what is there any difficulty with the date of birth?
Is implicated. Implicated.
164 implicated.
And 161 is consistent also.
Right. Person ask Assam has that has
Yes, my lord. Evening time, easy pokori man, pokori
because of third famous and to get us Yeah, but the other that is a conflict which would drive the delegate is connected the state in the 6 months of the year in the jealous very specifically very definitely
To date,
in support which are considered in effort of effect and in put at present for responsibility of effort.
Abhilash Ma'am. Very please, Your Lordship. Lordship matter pertains to my lord completion and appointment, my lord. And on my lord,
There was the instruction
Lordship, we had forwarded the case of the petitioner, but Lordship, some aspects in this petition are missing. Firstly, Lordship, SLC has not been made a party here, and the allegation of the petitioner is that the vacancies were only considered for grade 4, not grade 3. But the minutes of the SLC is not attached in this writ petition.
forwarding is there, ma'am.
And Lordship, the only document that is attached is in page 20, which says that it has been rejected for lack of vacancy. It does not say that it was only considered for grade 4.
that was of the year 2020.
20.
Yes.
When was the death? 24 2020. Yes, yes.
Yes.
2000.
Death, my lord, 2014, ma'am. Petitioner is a commerce graduate.
You had approved this code earlier in 16.
Yes, ma'am.
What happened?
My lord, earlier this court directed to consider the case of the petitioner, my lord. Page number 19, my lord. 8 to 2019 or para 3, ma'am.
That is not whether it was actually considered or not.
Lordship, Lordship,
SLC
SLC
is where is the document from which it can be gathered that your matter was considered by the SLC?
My lord, page 20 is the document.
20.
Yes,
Lordship,
ma'am.
they have
Forwarding
not
letter.
made SLC a party here. that is-
here. SLC is not made a party.
Because
I
You have not made a
My lord, in that case, I may be allowed to file IM.
to file an I.
Okay.
Not, will not be able
Okay.
third three. As per that.
Yes.
Also, have based that right of asset is this up asset but for the and appropriate
I'm highly obliged.
just like whole India there is a
Council, my lord,
Sir?
MJ Ahmed,
Ahmed is
there is pending council.
Are you aware of this matter? What is the
Yes,
affidavit?
yes, yes. But now, my lord,
Can have this file. It's not possible.
it's a very small, my lord. Now, my allegation is that on that particular day when they have called me to
You
their
have it,
office,
what was the third of how Khan has appeared for contest food limited. And it is submitted by saying that reading the and the doing call cannot take any double case. This for it immediately after you. Please inform Mr. Ahmed. Bora,
May I please the Lordship, I am on behalf of S. Dr. Lordship, affidavit in opposition is sent for vetting Lordship. Okay. It's for sale of vacation Lordship.
let them find a
Chapter package.
Yes.
Right after.
D. Bora.
J. Bora.
J. Bora. Ms. J. Bora and counsel appearing for PNRD department that the affidavit of which has been prepared and sent for bid. He accordingly placed and he accordingly placed for and is according to grant time of the of this of along with the affidavit that filed.
The date may be.
Matter what is the subject matter?
The lordship matter is regarding that person, departmental proceeding against that person was initiated, and for that his promotion and all things are put in advance, lordship.
The list is the third week of September. Third week of
Obliged.
Obliged.
June is June. June is it? Right. 22 Why?
The pair is already allowed.
Our Kakut that account has sub the chief state for that the demand of has already pressed. Also heard your for
Yes.
also heard that for that council whereas yes sir put on that state council appears for state time. To who's there? State there.
Lordship, only respondent 4 is the deputy commissioner.
Respondent number 4.
Yeah, it, it's according to clues. As there is no life for Here,
Just a notification. Just in another case, Lordship, business has already started it. Means this definitely petitioner has already started.
none appears for the petitioner on call. The revenue department, however, is by Janet Montoya, whereas the state department are represented by P. Bora. the state council. The doctor, they don't conflict with the part of the that the subject matter of challenge in this is the notification dated 26/8/2021 issued by the department. However, state notice was subject of written 39 by order by which order of article judge which can affect the valid as according to some that terms of state pronoun of president to to the petitioners are not represented in view of this court has examined that the state same notification dated 26/8/2021, which was subject for the validity of which has been upheld. In view of the above, following the order passed by the ordinance 3/3/20 W396
Okay.
before
Here the petitioner, they have challenged this,
what is documents or not.
Mal, we have filed an affidavit.
None appears for the for petitioner. Even on the last of that 59, none had appeared for we are the however that they by the response on page 6 of justice matter is returned is however observed that in case of non-representation on behalf of this would pass.
I think from the affidavit they got the message.
Lordship, this is regarding
Affidavit file.
concern of appointment.
Not file, my lord. I took a instruction, my lord. As per instruction, my lord, kindly come to page 52, my lord. Serial number 6.
Two.
Serial
number?
number 6, my lord.
Social
Fine.
welfare.
Yes, sir.
Your name is Anima Pathak.
Lordship.
According to my
Not
instruction, my
recommend you to not represent as per government rule.
this is the instruction I received,
Part of the petition.
my lord.
Disclose
Lordship.
disclose in the petition.
This is enforced in the petition, your lordship.
You file it.
affidavit. Matlab after vac-
Any other respondent here? What are your grounds of self,
So it takes too much time, your lordship. When I had applied in 2003, immediately after the demise of my husband. But
You
there,
replied then, 2003 then.
lordship,
Let us hear,
my husband died in harness on 27 to
let
2000
us see your application.
application, your lordship. Uh, page 31, the page 29, your lordship, the type copy.
Nine.
Lordship. This is the first time I applied. Yes, your lordship.
When did you make this application?
Lordship.
The date. Where is the second page?
that's missing one. Is undated also, and the second page. Sorry.
And thereafter, what did you do?
Thereafter, your lordship, on 4/12/2004, my application was forwarded by the CDPU to the director.
Where?
Page page 32, your lordship. Annexure 4. Thereafter, your lordship, on 12/5/2005, Annexure 5, the director sent the proposal for appointment of my appointment of commission note with Deputy Secretary Social Welfare Department.
Mr. Abha, if the point of delay, no doubt, is very crucial. That death of year 2003 or 3. But it appears that matter was being considered continuously, and the last order, which you have also shown, that it is not as per submission. It was not submitted as per application. Does not appear that there are even assuming that this is correct, but they to acted upon. It was forwarded. Now, only because not adhering to some kind of format, substantive right cannot be considered. If you can reject on other grounds, that's a different matter.
Definitely. Let me come back, Malar, after vacation.
You
With a
have
clear
to get
instruction.
proper instruction. From where did you get this remark? Not recommended due to non-submission. What about the earlier communication? Third, I am also heard as our the petitioner is aggrieved by the manner of consideration of case of her case for appointment on competent ground, which was rejected with the remark but not recommend due not of as per of due rule. The learned counsel for the petitioner has have referred to numerous communications which would give an idea that the application was duly filed and was considered from time to time. Rather than please
Kindly
please don't
Yes, Lord. Deeply obliged.
May I please your lordship? Lordship, the matter pertains to lordship for non-payment of monthly wages to one of the worker and helper.
Not with the worker, so work-
Yes, lordship, we are working,
Those are social welfare department.
worker and helper, lord. There are two petitioners.
Construction, they have filed a-
Yes, lordship, they have filed affidavit, lord. And
are they working on?
I have also filed a reply, lord.
We'll have it after the vacation, for admission, come prepared.
Good.
What do you have, what have the stated?
Lordship, no facility was provided by the authority, lordship. Now.
No funds.
Yes, lordship. No wages, lord, remuneration.
So what is
monthly,
their explanation? Why not?
Lordship, the fact is, lordship, we were engaged in the year 2007, lordship. Thereafter, in the year 2012, lordship, as per verbal instruction, lordship, I have taken additional charge in another place, lordship. Apart from my duty, lordship, I have taken, lordship. And thereafter, lordship, and this was not a formal order, lordship. And thereafter, lordship, they have not allowed to, they have not released from their lordship. This is the case, lordship.
Are you
Yes, lordship.
where? Your parents
In our original place,
Original?
lordship. Yes, lordship. I have filed also additional affidavit, lordship, which is proof that, lordship, the center is existed and we were working, lordship.
which is current.
Yes.
Part of worker on 15th of November.
Right.
Mr. Bora or whoever there come,
He is not in work. But we have seen from our affidavit that he was absent
From that place,
on that
from that place.
no, in her present place. I mean parent place.
because that center was shifted to another center.
Not shifted.
That's the matter.
I will come prepared.
Here, but
There may be something.
Your Lordship, in this case, pleading has been completed, Your Lordship. There is a series of analogous matter, Your Lordship. Those have been fixed for admission hearing, Your Lordship.
When?
After vacation, Your Lordship.
Can you
Last,
give-
year,
Can you
those
give
were,
one the number?
yes, I am giving the number, Your
Or-
Lordship.
or must certain-
4147
Okay,
2022.
petition to submit that there are analogous matters. The lead is
WBC number 3734
one and enough. One
3734/2020
20
22.
which are big amount
After vacation, no date
The
has
big-
been uploaded here.
of the case. That also are this along
In other cases, Mr. T.C. Sutiya is also there, Your
but your name is not here.
Honor.
27.
As
You're not there in this matter.
I moved at the motion stage, but perhaps his name has been recorded as that.
My lord, the petitioner has challenged the
You file your affidavit.
Nobel will file.
File.
No, we'll file. It is.
Your removal from service is the subject of challenge.
Initially, I was terminated and subsequently by the appellate authority has removed from service. In the last
file your
13 years.
affidavit, get the record. We'll be more interested in the record. Reading will hardly make any difference. It's a DP ultimately.
Yes, ma'am.
साहेब के साहेब और appearing for SBI.
Well.
Please, it's done. File and also the records of but this not when what's your age?
BK Jain, my lord.
What's your age?
The age of the petitioner now, my lord, is around 55. It is December 14th or 15th.
On 20th of 20 November.
In the meantime, my lord, the impugned order may be suspended, my lord. The
Of
order which
removal?
is the final order, my lord, the execution and operation of the impugned order, my lord. That may be
Removal order.
no, my lord.
Which order?
Final order that may be kept in abeyance, my lord, till the disposal of the
Final order.
my lord. Annexure number 14, my lord.
Final order of what?
Removal the appellate committee, my lord.
You want to be reinstated without hearing.
But it will be kept in stay, my
We are
lord.
hearing
Stay.
some
Interim
new
stay, my lord.
principles in law. Removal is state. We are hearing some new principles in law. You reinstate on the first day for removal order. That's not done. And then to after you may get your benefit if you find effective.
Lottery, in this case, lottery, one person has already retired in September, another person is retiring in November, two more persons are retiring in December. Lottery, but they are not doing anything. Also. And lottery, my earlier requisition is also pending. Also. That is,
Yes, so yes, madam, repeat.
I'm appearing for respond number 5 for the state.
5. Five is who is 5?
Personal B department.
It is file.
Lordship, we have received our instructions. Lordship may pick the matter after
And
vacation.
who are
we may pick-
you are the contesting respondent? Who is the contesting respondent?
lottery, the director,
Fisheries, the
Fisheries
director of
Department,
fisheries.
lottery.
We've received instruction from the fishery
MP
department.
Bora. Of fisheries, where is she? Is she there? Can you call her? Direct, because we don't want to delay the process.
Yes.
Call her, we can pass an order in her place. Granting her time will not serve the purpose. We can grant time to the council. After some time. Call. What time?
Wait, please, your lordship. My lord,
You appeared.
yes, my lord,
Instructions.
my lord, here what happened is that the managing director of the school respondent has been transferred, my lord.
Tamuli.
Yes. Yesterday also similar matter came up.
Take step.
From item number 33 to 39, your lordship. Yes, sir. Lordship, my small play. It may be tagged with contempt case number 145 of
145.
145,
Please along with contempt case number 145 of
2020.
22.
Value.
Yes, sir. There is a matter where your response is required for the fisheries department.
Lordship,
You are the new counsel for fisheries.
my lord, Lordship, may kindly reflect on the causes. We'll file affidavit immediately after the vacation. Sir.
Madam, APC would also file a
APC not required.
whereas you Sharma and has appeared for special department. MP Bora.
I'm for 1 and 2 months.
And the APS will present by teacher. 145 per the contest general concept for an are done. The by
First, SC Fisher. SC Fisher is not there, my lord. No, my lord, the copy may be served first.
Lordship, in the Lordship, in earlier case, WPC 1492 of 2018 may also be tagged along with
it is pending.
it is pending.
Just
And
along with WPC
1492 of 2018, in which case, Lordship,
1492 of 2018.
they filed
Please we give an extra copy.
Yes.
An extra copy of this we filed be served upon Ms. Bora, who has been recently engaged by
I'm so deeply obliged, my lord.
May it please your lordship. Your lordship, in this matter, on the last occasion, fresh steps were directed to be taken. We have taken fresh steps in the month of June, but it has no answer. No answer of notice has been received, nor anybody has entered appearance.
1 and 2
Yes, Lord. There are only 2 respondents.
for the department.
My lord, Department of Forest, Environment and Forest. In fact, steps have been taken 2 times.
Anyone represent forest part? Or not? Order. Madam, this only to expedite, make an informant request.
Madam.
Otherwise, they cannot accept. But
They cannot. It is in
But it is taking time. This matter is pending.
Yes.
And we may direct you to have another step, but again it may end up the same.
Yes, ma'am.
We
Ma'am,
just
my humble
bring this
prayer-
to their notice so that can implement the officers.
One more
If-
humble prayer, my lord. And as per General Clauses Act, section.
No, it's a content matter. Penal
deemed to be
consequences.
served.
Penal consequences are there. But you cannot equate this to civil proceedings. Unless they are served, and we get concrete metrics that they have been served and they are not even industry were not normally allowing in contempt. After please try to have anyone.
Lordship, by the judgment and order dated 27
Notices have been issued. You're appearing.
Yes, your lord. Correspondent number 1.
Your affidavit.
Lordship, when it's signed, file the affidavit.
Therefore, all the response.
Yes, sir.
DJ.
Yes.
DJ. Or responsible consequence. This
Right.
My lord, it seems that the government officials have no regard for the orders of this honorable court. While order dated 17 to 2023
This honorable court directed for reinstating me in service by interfering with the suspension order. But will kindly come to page 18.
Yes, madam.
Small para, my lord.
What is your instruction?
Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of Mr. D. Nath in this matter, and we are yet to receive the complete instruction.
My lord, will kindly come to page 18, my lord.
So, this is very way back.
Yes, the tab appeared also long back. Para 16, my lord. Small para. Page 18, para 16. Taking into consideration that the respondent authorities, more particularly the appointing authority, still continues to place the petitioner under suspension, in spite of the entire edifice of the impugned suspension order having disappeared, this court is of the opinion that the same constitutes an abuse of powers for which the further continuance of the suspension of the petitioner is interfered with, and a direction is therefore issued upon the appointing authority, that is the Secretary to the Government of Assam, Personnel Department, to forthwith reinstate the petition. And this was ordered dated 17/2/2023, and we communicated on, my lord, at page 20.
Last time. Not that we have to
Some observation, my lord, otherwise they will not comply. My
this is way back. Where had appeared till now. There is neither
no apology.
with regard to compliance of the non future of appears on the but that get up
Yes.
And type last fight the next bill.
Deeply.
There's a contempt matter. You just
Yes.
have an informative notice about
I'll seek up a
because twice the steps were taken and both of
I
have
will
come back.
accept notice. I'll take the notice.
don't accept
Informally, I'll try to.
unless you have the Wakalat now.
My lord.
35.
Office note denotes that service report is still awaited. So this is in which there is allegation of contempt pending since the year 2020, and both the officers of the forest department are still holding the same service. On the request of Ms. P. Agarwal
Mal.
and counsel for the petition, command matter is adjourned to be listed after revocation, and in the meantime, he would inform the understanding of the department to obtain instruction for my event.
Deeply.
Please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, in this matter, Your Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of Ms. D. Sonwal, Your Lordship. Yes, Your Lordship. As regards Your Lordship, respondent number 4, Your Lordship, AD card has been received, Your Lordship, unserved notice, Your Lordship, and it has been deemed to be served. Your Lordship, as per respondent number 5, they have filed the wakalatnama. Respondent number 2 and 3, I think, Your Lordship, unserved notice has been received back, Your Lordship. and respondent number 1, AT card or nor unserved notice has been received.
There are
Yes, Your Lordship.
You appear for
Respondent number 5, Lordship.
5, you're still there, in court.
Lordship will file a affidavit.
Are you there, director of welfare?
Yes, Lord.
Ramesh Chandra Madakar.
Appearing on behalf of Mr. A. Sir,
Your name,
W. Rahman.
W. Raman. Yes, sir.
Yes.
And what? And regard how you come which have your post
Much obliged.
Then why we mentioned this order, this matter was because pension was not given to us. In fact, there's an interim order which directed the respondents to release the provisional pension, but they're not releasing, and therefore we mentioned. But the connected matter came up before court number 2, my lord, the main writ petition. That is why we made a prayer there to check both the matters together, and the honorable court had allowed, my lord. On 22nd 11, the matter is fixed, my lord.
this will also
This will also go, my lord, so that both of them.
PK Barwal and Tom that there is an order asked to connect WPC
Number 1322 of 2023, my lord.
1322 to release this contempt along with the writ which is picked on
2211, my lord,
2211.
after the vacation.
Also had
For responsibility, madam.
for the registry to examine.
Obliged, deeply.
May I please? Lord, notice has been served, my lord. My lord, phone number has, my lord, 188 letter, my lord. Deck A.
Sir, anyone has appeared?
No, my lord. My lord, a letter has been scanned, my lord, by the, my lord, respondent, contemporary.
Letters and
My lord. Leg A, my lord.
Victor Vikram has any government council instruct this officer it is not the way to respond to a contempt. Writing a letter to the registry will pass the order. Or it is some
My lord.
who has referred to a communication dated 29/8 to write it directly to the registrar contempt, which is kept with the record as fact. Get the procedure based on response for notice. Wherein allegation of respond to a notice in a contempt and not by direct comment. Three, for a state council who is present that to pass necessary the consent of to make proper to make response the procedural perspective Please, Doctor, 4 weeks. Have a look at this.
Date, my lord.
4 weeks. Where is Mr. Bora's, Bora? Yeah, good.
In the BTC area,
So this where this was this year?
BTC area.
When?
2012, my lord. That was the biggest in that area. And page 61, if your lordship sees, it's very clear. Page 61, in pursuance of DGCT and CCHS order number so and so, the following incumbents of this unit are hereby directed to proceed to Pokradhar Police Reserve along with 175 numbers of Home Guard volunteers selected as SPO, this enclosed with proper command and control on 11/8/12. So similarly, my lord, others also from that Home Guard thing, they went, and under the act that is contemplated, that they can be called for duty in different situations, and that is also provided under section 10 and 12 also. Home Guard Act. There is an act, my lord, of the Home Guard and the rules. And in
What is the
fact,
name of the act?
the Home Guard,
Assam Home Guard Act 1940.
if your lordship have a look at the certificate of appointment, my lord, page 50, that is also required to be given to them. Has successfully completed the rural basic Home Guard training in the district Home Guard training center, so and so, so and so. He has been appointed as a member of the Home Guard under section 3A of the Assam Home Guard Act. When lawfully on duty, he shall have the same powers, privileges, and protection as an officer of police appointed under any enactment for the timing in force. His date of appointment is 13/11.
Yes. Now what is the
Issue is, my lord, we were deputed
to BTC
BTC
as SPO?
as SPO or whatever your lordship feel like saying,
No, it's
because they
SPO.
went as Home Guard, exercise of the powers under the Act, they can exercise the powers of the police. So they went there. 3 of them, I think, lost their lives also in the process. And after the situation improved, the PTC authorities said that you can go. So when they came to their parent organization, they should have been taken in, but they were not taken in. They were virtually not as if they were released from service. They were deputed for a particular purpose at PTC area during that incident.
On your return, you are not allowed to join.
Join. Virtually, it boils down to that. And then, my lord, when we came to the High Court said that there is a representation, consider it. And consideration is now given, and the order is impugned, which says that because of Uma Devi, they cannot help us. How does Uma Devi apply to a case where under a statute somebody is appointed?
But Home Guards are not permanent in nature.
Because I don't find any provision in the Act. That's what I was.
It's not permanent.
Yeah, but if they are discharged, they can be discharged. There is a
No,
procedure.
they wanted to, there is a gap. Thereafter, they are reinducted. No, they are below given training and then appointed. Even then, because there are litigations earlier which this court is aware of, where regularization of home guard services were declined by this court, saying that it is not of permanent nature. You cannot seek regularization. The scheme is of different nature. As and when the need will be there, your service will be utilized. I am recalling a case where home guards were used for as security guards of certain banks and financial institutions. Yes. And they had worked for a long period of time. But by virtue of their appointment as home guards, they will not be entitled to an automatic kind of regularization. In that even this must have been a decision prior to Nihal Singh. Your Lordship, Nihal Singh is a case on. Yes, what do you say, Mr. Bora?
As per the last order, the court, that page number, the effective portion is at page number 98.
90.
It starts at page 97, last paragraph. Petitioner's report is court, so initially enacted as part after undergoing rural basic home guard volunteer training course in the year 2012. They also engaged as SPOs and were deployed in various places and borrowing. They were discharged.
Mr. Goswami, there is no problem in examining this. Yes, but we are only trying to reconcile your prayer for interim relief. Interim relief only very limited, I don't want any stay or anything of the kind. They have already advertised. We had put a question. Mr. Bora had replied that they are in the meantime, they have crossed their minimum age. No, so for yes, them the advertisement also we have annexed at page 101. It is for 3,945 posts have been advertised for battalion as well as Assam Police. All that we are saying, these are all trained people. As your Lordship has seen, they were taken in. How many posts they have? 3,945 posts. Page 101. So what kind of interim constables? And what kind of interim relief you are? I am only saying that you have this process going on. The advertisement has come, it will ultimately end. So just keep 43 people are before your Lordship. Suppose we succeed, at least there will be some post where you can be accommodated. But subject to your Lordship. We need to display to 45. But tomorrow 100 may come in. No, I don't think this group, I think no. Is there anybody else in this process? No, that cannot contemplate because tomorrow it's a floodgate. No, that your Lordship will tackle, but as far as we are concerned, they were deputed all to that place. They should have gone back and they should have, they were taken from. What is Nihal? Nihal Singh is also a similar case, where they were appointed. It is. Do we have a copy? 2000. We have a copy. 2013. 13, page 65. Yes. They were also appointed, in different public sector things. Paragraph. Uma Devi was relied on there in paragraph 21, which is quoted at page 75. It can be seen from the above that the entire issue pivoted around the fact that the state initially made appointments without following any rational procedure and wishes under the scheme of the Constitution in the matters of public appointments. This court, while recognizing the authority of the state to make temporary appointments engaging workers on a daily wages, declared that regularization of the employment of such persons, which was made without following the procedure conforming to the requirement of the scheme of the Constitution in the matter of public appointments, cannot become an alternate mode of recruitment for public appointment. That is the essence of Uma Devi. It was further declared in Uma Devi that the jurisdiction of the Constitutional Court under Article 226 or 32 cannot be exercised to compel the state or to enable the state to perpetuate an illegality. This court held that compelling the state to absolve such persons who were employed by the state as casual workers or daily wage workers for a long period on the ground that such a practice would be an arbitrary practice and violative of Article 14 and would itself offend another article of aspect of Article 14. The state chose initially to appoint such persons without any rational procedure. Recognized by law, thereby depriving any number of.
Yes, Mr. Bora, what do you say on the interim
Your lordship, if your lordship comes to the speech order, page 99,
99?
read from paragraph number 4. After this court order, we were directed to dispose of by way of speaking order. representation. While considering similar representation submitted by SPO Association and ex-Home Guard Association, the government of Assam allowed filling up of vacant posts of AP
Where
constable.
are you reading?
Page number 99, para 4.
Yes.
Whereas considering similar representation submitted by SPO Association and ex-Home Guard Association, the government of Assam allowed filling up of vacant posts of AP constables in 1st and 2nd AISF battalion under the Director of Civil Defense and Home Guard from SPOs only. Also, 2 percentile of sanctioned vacant posts of constables in Assam Police to be filled up to direct recruitment is allotted to SPOs. The SPOs, along with the petitioners, were given fair chance to apply and compete in the recruitment process by the advertisement dated 13/12/2017, where 137 numbers of SPOs were selected for appointment against 154 posts in AISF battalions. Total 1216 numbers of SPOs applied against 154 numbers of posts, out of which 134 numbers of petitioners of WPC number 7479 of 2022 had applied for a state post. Again, by the advertisement dated.
We'll do one thing. This advertisement is dated 6/10.
This was a earlier
6/10.
position that.
No. This present is
advertisement also.
6/10.
Yes.
It's not going to be over very soon.
Your lordship, the
We'll
last
issue notice on the interim. We'll take your instruction.
Also, if I may point out to the advertisement itself, your lordship, if your lordship comes to page number 101.
101.
101. Under the bullet point, second last bullet point, 1 person of post shall be reserved for SPOs as per Government of Assam policy dated 5/10/2020. So they are protected. They can participate. Next page itself, next page, even for both armed branch and unarmed branch, and next page itself on page number 103, as to age relaxations for SPOs.
Where?
Page 103, under the eligibility criteria heading, under the serial number D, sub serial number Roman 4, additional relaxation of 10 years. As the lordship got this. Additional relaxation of 10 years in respect of SPOs, certificate to this effect from competent authority will have to be submitted. So they are well protected. If they want, they can participate in this whole process.
Hard. For a petition. Or were appointed as home guard. The period from 1994 onwards. In the year 2012, their services were utilized in the areas and orders were issued for them to the victim. The case of the petitioners that on improvement of the situation, the petitioners that come back
but we're not allowed to amend. Petitioners has approached this court on an earlier by file 7.9 of which was disposed of by the court by the representative considered as disposed. The state representation has disposed of by order 25(8), which is subject matter. So, Senior Council has also submitted that a recruitment process by the forfeit 395 numbers of posts of home care. Customer Senior Council cited the case of Nihal Singh, in which the Honorable Supreme Court similar circumstances had granted it. That notice the Honorable on 15th of November. For a state council except on behalf of one,
All the respondents except for number 9. One case
one still except for number 9. Anyone for the finance department?
the 8 Saliha was
Whereas it fell on behalf for number 9. That extra copy upon the internet council based for the interim order. Submit that if recruitment process initiated by placement is 6 and goes ahead, is proceeded without any protection, they will suffer immense. For us, the state council have that in the advertisement itself, not only reservation is given for persons who had discharged their duties as SPOs, given age selection up to 10 years, and the petition can put in the this court has noted that the advertisement has is of Christian origin, namely 6 and 20, and process of filling up 395 would take time. That you met the consideration for this effort for next year. If the conflict for respond to obtain adequate time to obtain penance cannot be a bar for the cannot be aware of the petition to apply. Pursuant to state advertisement date 6/10/20, and it also made clear that such application for my event would be without present to the present challenge phase.
Right.
So Bora, give a copy to the Delhi House. To Bora,
Name of SC Finance or
they have SC Finance name.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, this is a contempt file under section 12 of the contempt of court act, my lord. My lord, as the respondent authority has not complied the final order dated 24/8/2022 passed by the Honorable High Court, my lord. In the WPC number 6730.
Where is that order, madam?
My lord, in a page 36 and operative part started from page number 38. Yes. And exhibit B1. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
38. I thought the petitioner appointed as a master roll worker.
You note have copy.
Oh, my lord,
Note this order.
may be today. Yes, my lord, he informed. My lord, the learned council communicated the order on 13/9/2000.
What's your name?
My lord, J. Vizu.
It will count by means of the complaint of non-compliance of order for it passed by the and council has also referred the complaint order was
My lord, page number 2.
coming order was also present on that
If you apply.
your home.
I'm for a respondent, but
What a matter.
may yes,
You have appeared.
my lord.
When? Your name is not there.
My lord, actually, my lord, in this case, the P case is appearing, but some medical.
Then we'll have it after the what? Non-appears petition or not. Whereas this court has also that please appears but on is having some is not present due to some medical this of
Deeply obliged.
May it please your lordship, my lord. My lord, the order against which the contempt alleged is the page 12, my lord.
12.
Yes, ma'am. The operative portion is a page 13, my lord. Para 4. In view of such then the respondent's declaration stands closed with the direction that upon updating the service book of the petitioner, the consequential benefits of payment of pension, etc., be brought to its logical end and as per the pay of scale that may be fixed by the authority. If the service book updated within 45 days,
But open but
Obliged.
Happily, Your Lordship. Lordship, unfortunately, I cannot bring the file because previously
you'll have
the
it after the
yes,
prepared. It's up to the petition.
May I please, Lord? I will see Lordship, order Lordship is for different
Page number
11 Lordship and operating part Lordship is for 13 Lordship. That's correct.
thereafter.
Thereafter, Lordship, I have representation Lordship is number 14 Lordship.
Any order passed?
No Lord,
Nothing.
nothing Lordship. Then again, I have again another representation Lordship is number 19 Lordship. Again, Lordship, I have send the
Another representative.
two times Lordship. I have is number 19.
Me?
ठीक है
Huh?
ठीक है
Kida.
one